morning, YouTube. Good morning, spiritual community. I hope you're having a great day today. It's a bit cold outside. It's a bit chilly. It's been snowing lately. Snow on the ground. And all praise to the Most High. So, the great Denzel Washington once said in an interview, when you pray for rain, you have to deal with the mud too. That spoke volumes to me, because that's actually a good analogy, a good way of like looking at life or looking at success. When you know, whether you pray or meditate or practice affirmations, you know, when you want great success, there comes great failure along that journey as well. So don't let failure discourage you. And you know, it just, again, when you pray for success, the Most High is gonna throw challenges at you. So wanted to spread that, you know, some helpful advice. You know, don't give up on your journey. Don't give up on your dreams. And just keep becoming more authentic within yourself. Just keep becoming more authentic. You know, just keep applying, you know, good habits into your life. I hope y'all are, you know, still learning how to get rid of those bad habits, you know, and not relapsing in 2021, because it's definitely a lot of benefits to not relapsing with any bad addiction, whether it be alcohol, drugs, you know, porn. It's good. It's good. So I just wanted to bring that quote up. When you pray for rain, you have to deal with the mud too. And you got to be able to know how to deal with the mud. So, you know, if you feel like you're not, so look at this as an example. If you feel like you're not getting anywhere in life, or your passion is not taking off, or your dreams aren't coming to fulfillment, you know, it may seem dry for a while, but if you just keep applying yourself, keep believing in yourself, and keep going, and have patience with yourself, you know, a lot of people, I even say it too, like, consistency is key. But if you need to take a break, it's your life. Take a break when necessary. So when your journey seems dry, you're not getting anywhere, all of a sudden success starts to come. And it's better to gain success, you know, in an authentic way, in a spiritual way, and not forcing success into your life. So I'm just out here, you know, just out here with nature. Got a little workout in today. But yeah, when you pray for rain, you have to deal with the mud too. It's not gonna be just a clean slate. There's gonna be hurdles that you gotta jump over. You know, there's gonna be many things that get in the way of your success, but that's just part of the journey. That's part of the journey, guys, and that's the beautiful thing about everybody's unique spiritual path. So just wanted to give you guys some advice on that today. Again, I hope y'all doing well. And hey, life and waves are alike. They never stop.